In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Swing Breakout Sequence TradingView Pro. To follow along, make sure you're already logged in to your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine, as long as you can see the main chart area and the toolbar along the top of the screen. First, we're going to open the Indicators menu. At the top of your TradingView chart, look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies panel, where you can search for and add different tools to your chart. If this is your first time here, don't worry. It's just a searchable list of built-in and community indicators. Once that panel is open, you'll see a search box at the very top. Click directly into that search box so you can type. This is where you'll look up the specific indicator you want to add, instead of scrolling through everything manually. Using the search bar saves a lot of time, especially if you already know the name of the indicator you're looking for. Now in the search box, start typing Swing Breakout Sequence. Type the full name so TradingView can narrow down the results accurately. As you type, you'll see a list of indicators update below. Look through the results for the one that matches the name Swing Breakout Sequence. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will instantly add it to your current chart, and you should see the indicator's lines or signals appear right away. If the chart looks a bit cluttered at first, that's normal when you add a new tool. You can always open the settings for the indicator by hovering over its name in the chart legend and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, visibility, or other options so it fits your personal trading style. Finally, if you're planning to use this regularly and you don't already have a paid plan, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro using the affiliate link in the video description. TradingView Pro can give you more indicators on a single chart, additional alerts, and a smoother overall experience, which can be helpful when you're working with strategies like the Swing Breakout Sequence. That's all you need to do. Open the Indicators menu, use the search box, look up Swing Breakout Sequence, and click it to add it to your chart.